Alright, we're exploring the Miracle Mile shops. It says it's a mile long. Not quite. Maybe half a mile? Actually, I don't know. I'm making it up. This is definitely one of the biggest attractions at Planet Hollywood here in Las Vegas. And in fact, Planet Hollywood, the casino resort itself, is pretty small. But wrapped all the way around it is this U-shaped shopping center. Totally overhauled for what it used to be. In fact, it used to have a very Middle Eastern, Aladdin-ish type of theme. Is this place seriously just serving cereal? You come here to eat cereal. I've never seen a place like this before. And man, they do got their cereal, man. Look at that.
They put up their toppings.
Ah, that's how they do it. It's toppings. Wow, that's cool. That's pretty cool. So it's Christmas Day here in Las Vegas. Can you believe it? And it's pretty packed. Okay, now there's two different ways to go. I don't know which way. Oh, you know what? I think it goes in a loop. So you go that way or you go that way. We will end up here again. So let's go this way. So we've been here before, but man, it must have been 10 years ago.
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years at least.
So I've been here for what? Almost 14 years now.
So you see this section here still has that old Aladdin Agrabah design around. They never did update this, which I actually like. It's got charm. I don't know if it's as charming as the Venetian, but there's charm to it. Oh my goodness. They do need to update. It looks like the ceiling fell off.
No, baby.
The sky is falling.
That happened when that storm.
Oh, you're right. About a month or so ago, they had some massive thunderstorms that were passing through here, and some of the casinos, literally the ceiling had just collapsed. The rain came in. So if you look at it from here, it's very possible that's what's happened. It's ironic. No, baby, this is a show here that for rainstorms. I think that's different. That's literally ceiling fell down. I want one. I'll get one later. This part's under construction too. Yikes. Lots of construction going on still. Yeah, that storm that passed through Vegas about a month or two ago was so crazy. You can watch videos of it online on TikTok. Whether it's the wind or Caesars, you would quite literally see a waterfall, torrential waterfall, flowing from the ceiling down to the casino floor. But Vegas doesn't stay shut down for long. I mean, I think even after it happened, They were back making money the next day. You see a lot of these virtual reality kind of experiences all over Vegas now.
I'm not so into cookies, but I feel like that was so good.
You want a cookie, baby? Okay, we'll get you a cookie.
I think he makes that one.
Okay, cookies or pretzel? Just pick one.
Let's see if it's a good deal. Vegas shirt 2 for $35. That's on the high end, folks. That's a little bit on the high end. A little cheaper is the kids t-shirts, 2 for $30. So if you were to go one of those off the strip gift shops,
It's almost the
2 for
same.
$5 maybe? No. I'd say it's about maybe 40-50% markup. Now, by the way, you're already noticing a couple of shops closed, and that is because it is Christmas Day here. Still a lot of people out here Christmas Day in Las Vegas. In fact, it's packed. They're out there gambling, enjoying the shows. So I'm quite impressed that, I don't know, 75%, 90% of the mall is open.
What is that? Ketchup burger bar.
I bet you their ketchup is really good. Burgers may be questionable. That's why you gotta mask the burger with the ketchup. I've always loved this view. Oh, feels like I'm somewhere special. I don't think there are actually places up there. It's just decoration. They should turn it into places to eat up
Restaurant.
there. Yeah, that would be a great restaurant. You talk about a niche. All they sell are magnets. I feel like if I walk in there, my iPhone would just die,
Oh no.
go on the fritz. See? Another one. Sandbox VR, another VR place. Coming spring 2023.
The gamer.
For gamers. Showgirl, hello.
I like the funny photo.
That's a full-size.
We can eat this for less than 5 times if we made it at home. You said it's small pseudo art.
Pero que usted no está nada dentro de esa cubeta garantizado tener con uno de 2000 porque usted no puede perder. Ya si usted agarra más, puede agarrar.
You know, there's a Filipino TV show. They have this game.
Another VR experience. There you go, one full loop. That's it.